In March 2019, the widely distributed AARP Bulletin ran a piece titled, "What They Know That You Don't." It asked only physicians for their opinions in a piece on quality of care. It did recognize that RN care is superior to care delivered by medical assistants. It was right to say that because research backs that up. But the article also took aim at nurse practitioners, suggesting their care is inferior. But research shows that nurse practitioner care is at least as good as physician care. Let's settle this age-old question with research, not physician opinion. Nurse Daniel Geller wrote to AARP to protest this baseless attack on nurse practitioners. AARP agreed with him. They published a message of support for NPs and removed the article from online. When nurses speak, the media improves. Tell us at The Truth About Nursing about your efforts to shape the media. We can help you mobilize nurses and together tell the media what nursing really is and how they can portray the life-saving profession. Thank you.